Yo.
We're here at Results 24-Hour Gym.
Yes.
She's doing the 6-week challenge. Can you please state your first and last name for us?
Kristen Martin.
All right, Kristen, let's do the initial weigh-in. Step on that scale. 266.6. 20 pounds in 6 weeks. You got this. Good luck, Kristen.
Kristen, how's it going?
Great.
Awesome. Welcome into Results. We're here to start our 6-week, to end our 6-week 20-pound transformation program, right? We're going to start a second round.
Yes, we
So
are.
that's what was on my mind. So we started this round at 266.6.
Yes.
So that means we need to be down to 246.6.
30. We'll see.
Nice. So we definitely know we're over 20. So let's go and step on that scale and let's see where we're at.
Oh.
You hit over 30 for sure. 34.8. Congratulations.
Oh my goodness, I'm gonna cry.
Very good.
Ooh, almost 32 pounds. Congratulations.
Yes. Oh my goodness.
Great job, Kristen. Amazing, amazing, amazing. I'll take a high five on that one.
Yes.
Let's change our lives together.